Like a Hellcat.
Alright, YouTube, so let's go over here with the 4-star general assortment pack from Mega Banger, Great Grizzly, and Mag Value. It comes with the Silver Whistling Barrage, some more assortment pieces. This is called Carnival. We got Stormy Lights, Kung Fu Master, Thunderstorm. I don't know what that is right there. Looks like firecrackers. And you got Busted. You got this 3-inch shell, artillery shell. And you got the crackling artillery shell pack right there. Comes with 6 or 9 or 8 maybe. I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, yeah, maybe 6. And you got another one right here, whistling artillery shell. This is gonna be pretty good. And you got these over here, which is called Cora Strike. And you got Can't Touch This by Mega Banger. And then we going over here to this shell, which is Current Events by Brothers. Let me go over here to Outbreak by Mega Banger. Also by Mega Banger, you got Blood Moon, which is a 25 shot. This Outbreak is only 8 shots. This Wannabe by Mega Banger is also 12 shots. Don't Blink 500 gram, 12 shots. Then you got Night Thunder, 500 gram cake, which is 9 shots. We move over here to the other 500 gram, which is Hell's Bells. This is also a 500 gram. So I'm thinking I will do all the 500 gram cakes together. I'm not sure if this is a 500 gram. This is a 360 gram cake right here. So I will do these by themselves. No, I'm gonna do those along with this here, which is We the People Packing Heat. We the People are packing heat. 500 gram of Mega Banger. Then you got Panic Mode, which is 49 shots. Another 500 gram cake, which is going with those 3 as well. Then we got Hammered by Mega Banger, which is 25 shots. Also, I'm thinking is a 500 gram cake. Okay, let me put these back. Then we got Neon Rage by Mega Banger. I bought this because they said it was pretty good. So we have 10, 12. Let me turn it this way. We have 12 different colors: cyanide, lemon, violet, blue, red, pink, cyanide plus lemon, cyanide, violets plus lemon, pink, cyanide, emerald green, lemon, cyanide, blood red, orange, violets, blood red, and silver glitter. I'm looking forward to seeing these. They look to be pretty good looking. I haven't opened up the box yet, but I'm going to open it up just in a few to see if there's 2 canister shells in there. So then we go over here to the smaller show starters. Here we have Beehive, which I am not sure is 61 shots. I think I know what that does. Then we go over here to another Cora Strike. That goes with the one that's in the box up there. We have 2 of those. Wait, we have 3 of those. So we have 3 Cora Strikes. These are, ooh, they're $6. How much is this one? Yeah, $6. Don't see where it says. I keep looking. It just says it shoots flaming balls. It doesn't tell me how many shots there are. But I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. These may be 15 shots. Then we come over here to Toxic. These are 16 shots. We got Game Over by Mega Banger, which is also 16 shots. I can see the prices on them as well. American Patriot, which is also 16 shots. And you got Big Dog, 25 shots. Then this is a 200 gram cake, not sure. And we got, the Jumbo Saturns. Bought these because I liked it how they looked last year. And they were $6. I might get more because these were totally awesome. I like the way they sound when they went up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get some more of these. These are pretty good. I got 2 of those. And Drifter, which is a 200 gram cake. Doesn't say it's 200 gram, but I know it is. That's 12 shots. And last but not least, we have the Mega Banger firework.com Blue Rain, which is his 19 shot. And that was the firework shop that I had taken. This is probably equaled up to, I'll say, close to $550 for all of this. $550. So, until next time, I guess you'll see when I get ready to shoot it off. I'll see you then. Like a Hellcat.